stability of Afghanistan is a blessing for the people of Afghanistan and also in the common interests of China and Pakistan.
我们注意到，我们政府近期出台了对阿富汗和南亚的新政策，我们希望有关政策能够有利于阿富汗实现长治久安和地区和平稳定，并且照顾到本地区国家的合理安全关系。
We have noted that the U.S. government recently released the new policy on Afghanistan and South Asia. We hope that relevant policy could contribute to enduring peace and stability in Afghanistan and regional peace and stability, and accommodate the legitimate security concerns of regional countries.
我们重申愿意推进他人主导、他人所有的和平和解进程，才是阿富汗问题的根本出路。中巴双方将继续推进阿富汗的政治和解进程，发挥切实作用。
We reaffirmed that only the advancement of the Afghan-led and Afghan-owned peace and reconciliation process is the viable way out to address the Afghan issue. China and Pakistan will continue to play a constructive role in seeking and advancing.
我们同意应该大力的推进中阿巴的商业化合作，希望会继续为阿富汗改善关系提供支持中国、阿富汗、巴勒斯坦三方的办事合作，尽早的组织召开首次的三方外交对话。谢谢大家。
We agree that we need to further intensify the trilateral cooperation between China, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. China stands ready to provide support to the improvement of relations between Pakistan and Afghanistan and advance practical cooperation between the two countries, and also to convene the first China-Afghanistan-Pakistan foreign ministers meeting at another date.
谢谢王议员，下面请胡委员。
Thank you for Mr. Wang. Now I invite Foreign Minister Asif to make his statement.
Thank you very much, Mr. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great pleasure to visit China. It's my first visit to China as the Foreign Minister of Pakistan. High-level exchanges at the official level are regular feature of Pakistan-China relations. I had a very useful meeting with Foreign Minister Excellency Tangi. I'm grateful for his time and the opportunity to discuss the whole range of issues. During my visit, I will also call on State Council Yang and Mr. Meng Jianzhu, Head of Commission for Political and Legal Affairs of CPC. Thank you.
感谢王部长，各位下午好，非常高兴能够访华，这是我首次作为外长访华。双方之间的高层交往是两国关系的重要组成部分。今天我与王部长进行一个朋友的会谈，感谢王部长抽时间与我会晤，我们有机会就一系列问题进行了交流，我也会有机会和杨飞是我委员和孟建书书记进行会面。
Ladies and gentlemen, relations between Pakistan and China are mutually interested. Over time, this relationship has developed into one of the most important relationships in Asia and serves as a model for friendship between nations.
巴中关系源远流长，经受住了时间的考验，并且在不断的发展，已经成为国与国之间关系的典范。
It is an account of mutual trust, equality, non-interference, harmonious coexistence, and win-win cooperation based on common agenda of socio-economic development.
这种关系是建立在互信、平等、不干涉内政、和谐共处的基础上，并且由于双方共同目标，在多领域进行务实合作，变得更加紧密。
Pakistan strongly adheres to One China policy. We support China on its core issues of Taiwan, Tibet, Xinjiang, and South China Sea.
巴方奉行一个中国政策，我们在台湾、西藏、新疆和南海问题上坚。我们坚持中方对于巴基斯坦在主权、独立和领土完整和安全问题上
you know, the U.S. has recently announced its policy on Afghanistan and South Asia. Peace and stability in Afghanistan remains critical for the peace and security of this region.
美国近期宣布了新的南亚和阿富汗政策，阿富汗保持和平和稳定，对于整个地区的和平和安全是有至关重要的。
It is our firm view that there is no Afghanistan. The focus should be on a politically negotiated settlement.
我们认为解决阿富汗问题军事手段不是解决，重点应该通过谈判寻求政治解决。
China is playing a very constructive role in this regard, and we fully support that.
中国在这个进程当中发挥了建设性的作用，我们完全支持。
One of the purposes of my visit was, therefore, to exchange views with Foreign Minister Wang on how best Pakistan and China could contribute to ensure a political solution to Afghan problem.
我此次访华的主要目标是和王部长进行沟通，探讨发生如何共同努力为政治解决阿富汗问题做出贡献。
Foreign Minister Wang undertook a visit to Afghanistan and Pakistan in June 2017. We appreciate Chinese efforts for strengthening trilateral engagement, promote economic cooperation, connectivity among our three neighbor countries. We reiterate our support to the Chinese proposal for hosting trilateral foreign ministers meeting.
王部长在今年的6月份对巴基斯坦和阿富汗进行访问，我们非常赞赏中国提出的促进三方合作，包括在经济方面以及三方互通方面的三方合作。我们充分支持中国对于举行三国外长会的倡议。
Our two countries have close counter-terrorism cooperation. Pakistan shares China's strong opposition to key evils of terrorism, extremism, and separatism.
我们两国在反恐方面保持了密切的合作，我们坚定地支持中方反对三股势力。
Our comprehensive and all-out law enforcement actions, the Bihal and Radul Fasad against all terrorist groups, including PTIM, have yielded positive results. PTIM is not only a threat to China but also to Pakistan. We are grateful to China for its unflinching support of Pakistan's counter-terrorism efforts.
我们采取了全面的反恐行动，包括预见和诊断的行动，希望能够扫清巴基斯坦的反恐势力，包括中苏。在这方面，我们取得了积极的成果。中苏势力并不仅仅对中国造成威胁，也对巴基斯坦造成威胁。我们感谢中方坚定地支持巴基斯坦的反恐努力。
Ladies and gentlemen, we also had discussions on a range of bilateral issues, including trade, economic cooperation, China-Pakistan economic corridor, defense and security ties, culture, education, and people-to-people contact.
我们在会谈当中还讨论了一系列多边关系的问题，包括贸易、经贸合作、文化经济总额项目、安全合作、文化教育以及人文交流。
We expressed satisfaction with the implementation of CPAC, which has added another dimension of cooperation in our already strong multifaceted relationship.
我们对于中华经济走廊项目的推进表示满意。我们认为中华经济走廊项目取得的成果为我们全面的经济合作进一步充实了两国之间的亲密合作。
CPAC is a flagship project of President Xi's One Belt, One Road initiative. It has developed as a concept of mutual prosperity and as an intersection of the respective regions of Pakistan and China for development and prosperity.
中华经济走廊项目是习主席所提出的“一带一路”倡议的旗舰项目，目标是实现共同繁荣。这个项目的实施有助于将中国和巴基斯坦的各地区进行更加紧密的合作，实现共同发展。
CPAC offers a unique opportunity for the two countries to integrate with regional trading routes, with the construction of roads, railway, and Tawada Port. CPAC would emerge as a vital bridge connecting the Silk Road economic belt and maritime Silk Road.
中华经济走廊也提供了一个独特的机会，进一步的促进这个地区
free world, Pakistan is only in this channel. Honorable Foreign Minister, I would like to ask you, in the wake of President Trump's provocative policy speech, which created a lot of anger in Pakistan, 200 plus million people of Pakistan look up to China as a great friend, and CPEC is a great symbol of that friendship. Although we appreciate your foreign ministry statement, but since you are here in front of us, people of Pakistan would like to know from your mouth, what are your thoughts on this statement of President Trump, which has created so much of anger in Pakistan, and our both houses of parliament as well as armed forces are together in condemning that. Your thoughts, sir?
您好，我是巴基斯坦国家电视台的记者。我的问题是，特朗普总统通过新的南亚和阿富汗的政策，那么是在他国内引发了极大的愤慨。我们巴基斯坦的人民都期待着中方能够在这个问题上给我们支持。考虑到我们还在推进这个中巴经济走廊项目的。这个政策在巴基斯坦国内确实引发了很多的这不满的情绪，包括我们的议会和军队都做出了强硬的回应。您在这个问题上想对巴基斯坦人民做什么表态？
恐怖主义是全球性的问题，需要各国携手应对。我们认为各方与其相互指责，不如通力合作。
Well, terrorism is a global issue, and it requires concerted efforts from all countries to tackle. We believe that instead of blaming each other, countries need to work with each other.
巴基斯坦是中国的好兄弟，也是铁哥们儿。没有谁比中国更了解巴基斯坦，更理解巴基斯坦。多年来，巴基斯坦一直是恐怖主义的受害者，同时巴基斯坦更是国际反恐合作的重要的参与者。巴基斯坦政府和人民为反恐事业所做出的巨大努力和民族牺牲有目共睹，国际社会应当给予充分的肯定。我们认为，巴基斯坦在反恐问题上做到了尽心尽力、问心无愧，反倒是某些国家应当还巴方一个公道。
Pakistan is a good brother and iron friend of China. Nobody knows Pakistan and understands Pakistan better than China. For years, Pakistan has been a victim of terrorism, and more importantly, Pakistan is an important participant in the international cooperation against terrorism. The government and people of Pakistan have made huge efforts and sacrifice on the fight against terrorism, and such efforts and sacrifice are there for everyone to see. The international community should recognize that. We believe that when it comes to the issue of counterterrorism, Pakistan has done its best with a clear conscience. In comparison, some countries need to give Pakistan the full credit that it deserves.
Okay.
Thank you.
好，下一个问题。
Next question.
谢谢。刚才两位外长都提到了阿富汗，我想问一个跟此相关的问题。现在巴基斯坦和阿富汗的关系存在一些问题，中国又都是这两个国家的好朋友。我想先问阿西夫外长，巴方在改善对阿富汗关系方面有什么新的举措？王毅外长，您今年6月份，刚才巴方外长也提到了，您对6月份的时候对两个国家进行了穿梭式的访问。那么现在中方对于这两个国家改善关系有什么具体的考虑和建议？谢谢。
Thank you. Since both foreign ministers mentioned Afghanistan, my question is related to Afghanistan. Well, today or currently, there are some issues in the relationship between Pakistan and Afghanistan, while China is a friend of both countries. So I have a question for Foreign Minister Asif. What new steps will Pakistan take in improving relations with Afghanistan? And I also have the same question for Foreign Minister Wang. You visited Pakistan and Afghanistan in June. Following that visit, what specific steps that China will take to help the two countries improve relations?
Thank you. I had a telephonic conversation yesterday with the Foreign Minister of Afghanistan. We have agreed to meet on the sidelines of United Nations General Assembly. This is the first official high-level contact between the two countries after the declaration of South Asia and Afghan policy of President Trump. We are neighbors, China, Afghanistan and Pakistan. And the participation of China in bringing us together and finding a political solution to Afghan problem, I think is very vital. To support that effort or that initiative, Pakistan has already undertaken many steps and will pursue those steps of improving relationship with Kabul, keeping an engagement, a substantive and robust engagement with the Kabul government, and build up confidence building, take up confidence building measures, and keep them engaged on all levels, political level, security level, military level, intelligence level. And we have had a very comprehensive discussion just a while back. And China and Pakistan agree that the solution to the Afghan problem is fundamentally a political solution and not a military solution. And we are three countries. We are neighbors. We have stakes in Afghanistan's peace. And we are already involved in a very substantive way in creating an atmosphere, a culture of peace in this region. And I think with China's intervention and their role in bringing us together, Kabul and Islamabad, it will go a long way. And we will definitely pursue a policy of engagement with Kabul in bringing peace to our region. Thank you.
昨天我和阿富汗的拉巴尼外长进行了通话，我们也同意在纽约的联合国一般性辩论期间会面。这将是特朗普总统公布新的阿富汗和南亚政策以来，双方的第一次正式的高层接触。阿富汗和巴基斯坦互为邻国，中方参与两国关系的改善进程以及阿富汗问题的政治解决进程是至关重要的。我们支持中方在这方面做的努力。对于巴方而言，我们也采取了很多的措施。我们愿意改善和喀布尔之间的沟通，加强双方的往来，并且愿意采取建立信任的措施。我们愿意加强和喀布尔在政治、安全、军事、情报等各个方面的往来。我们刚才在会谈当中也进行了全面的讨论。那么，中国和巴基斯坦，我们双方同意进一步的努力来推进阿富汗问题的政治解决。我们三个国家互为邻国，中巴两国在阿富汗实现和平方面拥有重要的利益。实际上，我们已经做出了很具有实质性的努力来改善这个地区的和平氛围。中方的参与和中方发挥的作用，帮助巴基斯坦和阿富汗改善关系。这方面的努力已经取得了积极的进展，巴方也将会进一步的加强和阿方的联系，为地区和平做出贡献。
巴基斯坦、阿富汗都是本地区的重要国家，两国关系合则两利，斗则俱伤，所以我们衷心希望双方能够相向而行，共同增进两国人民福祉，共同来维护地区局势的稳定。刚才阿奇外长已经明确表达了巴基斯坦方面愿意同阿富汗改善关系的态度，我们对此表示欢迎，表示赞赏。作为巴两国的共同的邻居和朋友，中巴和中阿双边关系的发展，积极的帮助巴基斯坦和阿富汗来弥补弥合分歧，增进互信。我们也在探索开展中巴阿三方的合作。我要告诉大家的是，经过我们三方的沟通，我们的三方合作已经有了初步的进展。我们预定在年内举行首次的中国、巴基斯坦、阿富汗三方的外长对话。我们已经把战略沟通、安全对话、务实合作确定为3个重点领域，将在此基础上推动三方合作由浅入深、由易到难，最终 打造出一个区域合作的新的平台。我相信，在巴双方的共同努力之下，在中方的积极支持之下，巴基斯坦同阿富汗的关系，以及我们3个国家的合作，都一定会迎来光明的前景。谢谢大家。
Pakistan and Afghanistan are both important countries in this region. A good relationship would serve both countries, otherwise it will hurt both countries. So we sincerely hope that the two countries could work toward the same direction and work together to increase the well-being of the people of Pakistan and Afghanistan and contribute to peace of the region. Just now, Foreign Minister Azif made it clear of Pakistan's attitude of improving relations with Afghanistan. The Chinese side welcomes this and appreciates it. As the common neighbors and friends of Pakistan and Afghanistan, China values its relations with both countries, and also China works to narrow differences between the two countries and help them build mutual trust. In addition, we are exploring to conduct trilateral cooperation between the three countries. I want to let you know that with communication between the three parties, there is initial progress in trilateral cooperation. It is planned that before the end of this year, there will be the first China-Pakistan-Afghanistan Foreign Ministers meeting in China. We have identified 3 priority areas, which are strategic communication, security dialogue, and practical cooperation. And on that basis, we will work to advance trilateral cooperation starting from the easier matters and with the goal of creating a new platform for regional cooperation. I'm confident that with the concerted efforts from both Pakistan and Afghanistan and with the active support from China, the relations between the two countries and cooperation among the 3 countries will embrace a brighter future. Thank you.
谢谢王毅外长，谢谢阿西夫外长，谢谢各位记者朋友，记者会到此结束。
Thank you, foreign ministers, and thank you all for coming.